Guys wanted to see the Blizzard of New England 2026. So here it is. It's definitely about 3 feet. No lie, no exaggeration. I'm only 4'11", so yeah. So here, let me open this. The snow actually holds my door open because it is flush with the snow. Look at this. Look at that. Okay? Yeah, the street is completely covered. My driveway is probably about 5 feet of snow because it's on an incline. So I'm not even going to be able to get out. But look at this. Look at the hotel next to me, the motel. They're old fisherman barracks. But anyway, so yeah, like complete whiteout. You can't see anything. And then across the bay, you can't see the town. Right across the bay, we're in a complete whiteout, man. This is definitely about, I would say, 3 feet. So I just tried stepping out and it's literally up to my knee. And like I said, I'm only 4'11". So yeah, we're in a complete whiteout. This is absolutely insane. It doesn't look like there's any chance of stopping. Let me see y'all's videos.